Hello and welcome to Nikolay's genetics lessons, and today's problem is: if 4% of a population shows a recessive trait, what will be the frequency of the carriers in the following generation? And here is the variance of the answers. As usual, I recommend you to pause video here, try to solve this problem on your own first, and when you will be ready you can run video again and you can compare your answer with my answer and explanation. In order to answer this question, all we have to know is Hardy-Weinberg formula, where frequencies of the three genotypes equal to p squared plus 2pq plus q squared, and all this combined would equal to 1 or 100%. In this formula, p squared stands for the homozygous dominant genotype, 2pq stands for the heterozygous genotype, and q squared stands for the homozygous recessive genotype. And we have three genotypes here and two phenotypes. So these two genotypes would make one phenotype, and this genotype would make another phenotype. According to our problem, if 4% of a population show recessive trait, that means that these individuals have to be homozygous recessive. And we know that they are 4%. So 4%. That means 0.04 on the scale between 0 and 1. Also pay attention that these three genotypes are made by two alleles P and allele Q. Only two alleles. So allele P plus allele Q would make 100% or would equal to 1. And we know the frequency of the homozygous recessive genotype. In other words, we can say Q times Q, or small a times small a. And how we can find frequency of the Q? We just have to take a square root of Q squared. So we take square root of 0.04. And we are going to get 0.2, which equals frequency of the recessive allele A or Q. Now when we know the frequency of the recessive allele A, which is 0.2, we can find easily frequency of the dominant allele P or A, which is going to be 0.8. And now we can also answer our question: what will be the frequency of the carriers in the following generation? And carriers are going to be this genotype 2pq, or heterozygous genotype, would equal to 2 times frequency of the P, which is 0.8, times frequency of the Q, which is 0.2. And we are going to get 0.32. In percentage form, it's going to be times 132%. And this is answer D. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.